In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile URL in Skool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to look for, and what requirements you need to meet to make the change smoothly. First, open Skool and head to your profile. This is your personal space on the platform, the page other members visit to see your activity, contributions, and how to get in touch. Your profile URL is the unique web address people can use to find you directly, so making it clean and memorable is a smart move. Once you're on your profile, click on Edit Profile. This opens the settings where you can adjust details like your name, bio, and importantly, your profile URL or handle. Look for the field that controls your public link. If it's editable for you, that's where you'll type your new preferred URL. Before you try to change it, there's an important note. Skool only allows you to change your URL after you've reached 3 milestones, at least 90 contributions, 30 followers, and 90 days of activity on your account. These requirements help keep the community trustworthy and reduce constant changes. You can usually see your followers and contributions right on your profile, which makes it easy to understand how close you are to qualifying. If you're not there yet, no worries. Keep engaging in meaningful ways. Share helpful posts, add thoughtful comments, and be consistent. As your contributions grow and more people follow you, you'll meet the threshold naturally. Also, keep an eye on your account age. The 90-day mark simply means you've been using Skool long enough for the platform to recognize your presence. When you do qualify, return to Edit Profile and enter the new URL you want. Aim for something short, clear, and aligned with your name or brand. Avoid unnecessary symbols, keep spelling simple, and make it easy for others to remember. If the URL is already taken, try a slight variation that still looks professional. After you've entered the new URL, save your changes. Give it a moment, then visit your profile to confirm the update. You'll now have a cleaner, more recognizable link you can share on your website, social profiles, and emails. That's all there is to it. Go to your profile, click Edit Profile, and once you've met the requirements, 90 contributions, 30 followers, and 90 days of use, update your profile URL to something that represents you best. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.